the GroundWork 1.5 gallon sprayer. Is it any good? Let's find out. Let's spray. So you can slide the handle down and it locks and you don't have to hold it down. That's nice. It has a nice spray. I didn't even adjust the nozzle. Seems to be doing what I need it to do. And then to cut it off, just slide it back. I bought the 1.5 gallon pump sprayer. I bought the sprayer at Tractor Supply Company for $14.99. It's supposed to have an ergonomic handle with a trigger lock, powerful easy grip pump, and no spill large mouth funnel top. Features include a grab and go with an easy grip pump and carrying handle, a no spill funnel top, trigger lock, chemical resistant seal, a release valve to release excess pressure safely, a fiberglass wand, adjustable shoulder strap, again 1.5 gallon capacity, and an adjustable nozzle. I like that it has all of those features identified on the graphic with a numbering system. Has an instruction manual, shows you how to assemble, operating instructions, how to pressurize the sprayer, spraying instructions, how to release pressure, how to clean and store. Nice, simple graphics I like. Troubleshooting, customer hotline, warnings, and a 1-year limited warranty. Here's the manufacturer's information. So here's the nozzle. Nice long nozzle. Unscrew the wand nut from the wand handle. Push the wand through the wand nut. Tighten, screw on firmly. I guess that's right. That's simple. Operating instructions: remove the pump assembly by turning the tank counterclockwise. So when I tried it the first time, I did like that, and the first time only the green part came out, the black part didn't come out. So then I did like it said and turned the tank, and then everything came out. So now we're ready to fill. It says do not fill over the maximum fill line. I like that it has some instructions on the side. Nice. Weed killer on the area beside the driveway, because I hate weed eating it. It's uneven. Time consuming. Put this back in. Tighten it up. Pressurizing, turn the handle to notch. Be careful not to loosen the pump from the tank. Pull the pump up and down about 20 to 30 strokes. Lock the pump handle back into the assembly. Don't stand with your face over the pump when pumping or loosening. I guess that. I guess notching it's like that. Well, it doesn't come up and down when it's notched. That's 18 and it's really hard to push. Let's try it. Let's spray. So you can slide the handle down and it locks and you don't have to hold it down. That's nice. That's just messy, messy, messy right there, isn't it? I bought this sprayer to primarily take care of some weeds and unwanted foliage around the perimeter of the house, as well as some in the woods surrounding the house. I have some wild muscadine plants and other vines that are invasive and are killing my trees and other desired vegetation. The handle is super easy to operate. Pushing it down activates it, and then just sliding it forward gives you the lock. The wand's very lightweight. It is ergonomic, not difficult to hold on to. It has a nice spray. I didn't even adjust the nozzle. Seems to be doing what I need it to do. And then to cut it off, just slide it back. I like the fact that the wand was lightweight and ergonomic. It allowed me to get underneath the branches of my azaleas so that I didn't spray any of the spray on the desired foliage, my azaleas, but I could get it on the underlying weeds that were underneath. I looked at the various sizes and thought that the 1.5 gallon sprayer was going to be about the size that I could carry and still be comfortable. It was very easy to maneuver around. It wasn't too heavy at all and carried enough spray to do what I needed to do in a session. Using the strap made the carrying of the apparatus a little bit more comfortable. It was very well designed. It didn't bother me wearing this. The cord is long enough. The sprayer is, like I said, ergonomic, and the little push-down lock is a very nice touch. Keeps you from having to have a firm grip on the sprayer at all times. Release the pressure. And that was easy enough. Satisfied. That was easy enough. I like easy. For my second use, I ran into a little bit of trouble. Must not have it pressurized enough. I don't think I've got the cap on there tight. Looks like it's wanting to leak out of there. Let's spray some. Something's going on. It's not keeping a seal. I fought with this sprayer and fought with it and finally figured out that I just didn't have the little ringies screwed in tightly enough. One goes one way and one goes the other way, and if they're not really tight, then you're going to have a loss of pressure. I learned to take the handle on the pressurizer out to go ahead and lock it and then pull it out. It wasn't very smoothly done, but anyway, I hope you get the idea. Now that I know how to screw it on correctly, I was able to get this much done, and I still have pressure in the tank. Thanks for watching my video about the GroundWork sprayer. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have time before you go, watch another video, and let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.